Hi, and welcome. You've probably clicked on this video because you or somebody you know suffer from anxiety. Don't worry, you're among millions of others who share the same experience. It's a lot more common than you think. I'm glad you've clicked on this video because I will explain to you the science behind it, as well as how you can overcome it with proven methods. Dr. Joe Dispenza is a neuroscientist and chiropractor who teaches about the connection between the brain and the body, and how this connection affects our emotions and behaviors, particularly with regards to anxiety. According to Dr. Dispenza, anxiety is a learned response to stress, and it can be relearned or unlearned through intentional thought and behavior patterns. He explains that anxiety is not just a mental or emotional issue, but a physical response as well. When a person experiences stress, their body goes into fight or flight mode, releasing hormones such as cortisol and adrenaline that prepare the body to respond to danger. However, when this response is activated too frequently, it can lead to chronic anxiety. Dr. Dispenza believes that the key to overcoming anxiety is to change the brain's response to stress. He teaches that the brain can be rewired through a process called neuroplasticity, which is the brain's ability to reorganize itself by forming new connections between neurons. This process can be influenced through intentional thoughts and behaviors that create new patterns in the brain. One of the key concepts that Dr. Dispenza teaches is the idea of observing thoughts. He explains that most people identify with their thoughts and allow their thoughts to control their emotions and behaviors. However, by becoming an observer of our thoughts, instead of being controlled by them, we can begin to take back control of our emotional and physical responses. This means being present in the moment and not getting lost in the thoughts and worries about the future or past. Dr. Dispenza also teaches that emotions and thoughts are connected to physical sensations in the body. When a person experiences stress, they can often feel physical sensations, such as a rapid heartbeat, sweating, or muscle tension. By becoming aware of these physical sensations, a person can begin to understand the connection between their thoughts and emotions and the physical responses that occur in the body. One technique that Dr. Dispenza recommends for reducing anxiety is meditation. Meditation is a way of calming the mind and reducing stress. By practicing meditation, a person can begin to change the way their brain responds to stress. He explains that meditation can help to rewire the brain by reducing the activation of the fight or flight response and increasing the activation of the rest and digest response. In addition to meditation, Dr. Dispenza also recommends practices such as deep breathing and visualization. Deep breathing is a way to slow down the heart rate and reduce stress, and visualization is a way to imagine positive outcomes and experiences. Both of these techniques can help to create new neural pathways in the brain and reduce anxiety. Dr. Dispenza also teaches about the power of positive affirmations and self-talk. Now, I know that may sound silly, but the words we say to ourselves can have a profound effect on our thoughts and emotions. By replacing negative self-talk with positive affirmations, we can begin to change our thought patterns and reduce anxiety. Try it just for a day and see the results for yourself. So, in summary, the key to overcoming anxiety is to change the brain's response to stress through practices such as meditation, deep breathing, visualization, and positive affirmations. By becoming an observer of our thoughts, connecting our emotions to physical sensations in the body, and rewiring our brain through intentional practices, we can reduce anxiety and live a more peaceful and fulfilling life.